Okay. Hello, everybody. This is part 3 of the Wild Austin documentary. I will be tracking down the Wild Austin, and I'll be recording him in his natural habitat. Okay? So I'm going to go try and find him. This is a cute cat, isn't it? That is cute. Okay. He should be through here. I've finally been... I can hear him. I think I can hear the Wild Austin. Oh shit. He's making noises. Okay, this is the wild. Oh, he's doing his mating call. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay. This is him in his natural habitat. Saying his mating call. We're gonna see him. Oh my god. La la la! Shit! Okay. I don't know what he's doing. He seems to be doing some quite strange stuff. He hasn't noticed me yet. So that's good. I think we might be able to get some prime footage here. It's the most footage I've ever got of the Wild Austin. Before he's noticed me. Hey guys, I don't think he's gonna notice me. So let's check out the Wild Austin's habitat. If he notices me while I'm checking out his habitat, he's gonna be really angry, guys. He's gonna be real angry. What is this? What is this thing? Oh no. Wait, I recognize that music. Oh god. Oh god! Oh god. Okay. Guys, I'm hiding. The Wild Austin is chasing me. Oh god. Guys, this is really scary. What's going on over there? I think I see him. I don't think he saw me. Shit, he saw me. Oh god, he saw me. I'm taking every damage, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. I had a little incident. He tried to stab the hell out of me. I can't find him. Okay, this is prime time. If I can search the natural habitat before he comes back, I should be fine. Because if he sees me in there, he's going to want to kill me. Okay. I don't know what this is. It's some kind of device. Maybe for his mechanisms? I don't know. I think this is a nightlight. Weird. I never thought the Wild Austin would use a nightlight. Oh god. Oh god, I don't know if that's copyrighted or not. Oh god! Okay, I ran. Oh god. Okay, I might have to end the video. Okay, I'm gonna have to end the video. Because he's getting way too angry with me. Oh god. Okay. I'm gonna end the video, guys. This has been the third part of the documentary of Austin.